Hi, I'm Jala. Today I'm going to show you how to use one long word to make a list of smaller words. Now here I have chosen the first letter R and I'm going to make a list of words using R and using the other letters inside the word rainforest. Okay, let's start. Here with R, the first word I have chosen is ran. Second word, rest. Next, rent. Next, rice. Next, rinse. Next, rose. Next, rift. Next, raft. Next is rot. Okay. Let me go to second line. Next is rare. Rare, rear, low, and then roster, roster, roast, and rat. Rat. So these are the words I have made using the letters inside the rainforest, using the letter R first. Next I am going to use the letter A. With that I have made as, an, are. Next is air, ant, art, and eight. Okay, I have made as, an, are, air, ant, art, and eight using A. Next, I'm going to use the letter I. With I have made in, is, it, if, and into. Okay. Now you know that A and I, they are vowel letters. Okay. Next, I have taken the fourth letter, N. With N, I have made net, net, not, nest, net, not, nest, no, nose, no, nose, note, and the word no. Okay. Next, I'm going to take the letter F, and let's see how many words we could make with the letter F. Fin, far, fin, far, fat, frost, frost, first, and fist, first and fist, fast, and front, fast and front, forest, fast, front and forest, fort, fan, fort and fan, fair, fine, fair and fine, faint, and feast, faint and feast, foe, F-O-R-E, foe, forest, forest, fire, fair, fear, fair, fear, for, fin, and far. A long list of words you can make using the letter F and using the letters inside this word rainforest, the longest one. And next I'm going to go for O. O. On, or, on, or, off, and O. O-R-E-O. Okay. Next, I'm going to go to another vowel letter, E. E, ear, ear and eat. Ear and eat. Next, I'm going to go to the letter S. Okay, let's start. Set, 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 sat, sin, set, sat, sin, soft, so, soft and so, saint, soft, so, saint, 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 and see, scent and see, stone, stone, stern and star, stern and star. Okay, let's go to the last letter. The last letter is T, and we are going to make a list of words using T, using the letters inside rainforest, test, tent, test and tent, tar, and tin, tar and tin, tan and tan, tan and T-O-N, tan, and tear and ten, tear and ten, toe, T-O-R-E, toe, and T-O-E, toe, T, toe, T, torn, tear, T, torn, tear, and the last word is toe. Okay, can you believe I have made 85 words using the long word rainforest. You may be able to do more than 85. You can try your luck. And I hope that you have enjoyed my lesson, and see you in my next video. Thank you.